Hey friends, my name is Allison and I'm the Outreach Coordinator for the Soltis Lab here at the University of Florida, and I'm working on a really cool project called the Mint Genome Project. We are trying to discover all we can about the genetics, natural history, and the cool chemistry of the mint family. The mint family is incredibly diverse with over 7,000 species found all around the world, and many of these species create really cool compounds and oils to attract a pollinator or deter an herbivore. Humans have been using these chemicals and the mints for hundreds to thousands of years for many things from cooking to perfumes, cleaning products, medicines, and even mummification in ancient Egypt. It's so cool. My job is to teach people these cool historical uses as well as to come up with new ways we can use them today. And today we're going to be making Lamiaceae Play-Doh. It's super easy, super fun, so let's get started. The things you'll need are 1 cup of flour, a ½ cup of salt, 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar or lemon juice, food coloring, and a ½ cup of your favorite mint leaves. First, we're going to mix our water, oil, salt, and cream of tartar until our salt is dissolved. If you can do this on a stovetop, that's usually faster, but if you can't, that's okay. You can boil water before mixing it into the bowl. Just be really careful. Once your salt is dissolved, add your flour and knead it in. If you need to use your hands, that's okay. Here you can separate the dough into 2 to 3 separate balls and add different colors of food coloring to each one. Now it's time to grab some leaves from your favorite mint plant. My personal favorites are rosemary, lemon balm, lavender, and basil, but there are so many to choose from. You're going to rub those leaves and rip them up like you're an herbivore chewing on those leaves. What's happening is small hair-like cells called trichomes are creating more of the plant's protective chemical compounds to try and stop an herbivore from eating the plant. These trichomes are creating more chemicals and making things smell really good for us. Add that to your Play-Doh, and those chemical compounds will be mixed into your Play-Doh, making the whole Play-Doh ball smell amazing. Want to learn more about the mints, maybe their cool chemistry or historical uses, or you want some fun activities and recipes? Check out our website right down here. Thanks for watching and happy playing!